Everything begins with cassava, a starchy root grown in tropical regions.
All right, this batch is clear. Go ahead and move it inside.
The roots are thoroughly cleaned before processing begins.
The powerful vortex ensures the cassava starch is fully incorporated into the nutrient-rich liquid. The amino acid-rich liquid now moves to the purification stage.
The viscosity on this one seems high, and the color is definitely deeper amber. Make a note of that for the analysis.
Multiple purification stages help achieve a highly refined final product. We have a spike in the glucose readings right here. Adjusting the flow rate? Yeah.
Confirmed. The pressure levels are holding steady.
The starch is transformed into a nutrient solution for fermentation. Inside these giant tanks, microorganisms begin transforming cassava into the building blocks of MSG.
These massive stainless steel tanks are the heart of the operation, carefully monitored 24/7 to ensure optimal fermentation.
The fermentation process is carefully controlled around the clock.
A spike in the thermal data here. Yeah, rerouting the coolant flow now. Levels are dropping. Good, keep monitoring it closely.
Check the reading on line 3. It's fluctuating again.
Confirmed. The bypass valves are holding steady though.
Growth rate is accelerating beyond the projected metrics.
Yes, but the energy signature remains stable. The saturation levels are optimal.
is where the familiar white crystals begin to take shape. The crystals are finally formed. Next, you'll see how they are tested, packaged, and shipped around the world. Inside this state-of-the-art facility, every crystal of MSG is rigorously tested for purity, ensuring the perfect umami flavor. Look at the crystallization pattern here at 40x magnification.
Yes, the structure appears unusually stable.
The calibration on lot 42 is slightly off right here.
Rerunning the diagnostic now.
Only products that meet strict standards move forward.
Look at the data from the Z-axis sensor. It's showing a critical error pattern.
You're right. We need to initiate a full diagnostic immediately.
Advanced technology helps ensure a consistent final product.
The product is packaged using high-speed automated equipment.
This facility processes over 10,000 tons of monosodium glutamate every month, requiring constant logistical oversight. From here, the product begins its journey to customers around the world.
Manifest confirms 30 pallets for the Mumbai shipment.
All right, seal it up.
The journey of our food spans the globe, relying on a complex network of ships and trucks to bring ingredients from the farm to your table. From humble cassava roots to millions of sparkling crystals, this is the incredible technology behind modern MSG production.